Donkey in the well. One day as farmer was passing by the well. Suddenly his donkey fell into the well. Well was deep, so donkey was not able to get out of it and cried for hours. As farmer was trying to figure out idea to get it out of the well. After hours of thinking and seeing donkey cry, he finally decided that the well already needed to cover up. And donkey was old and wasn't worth to retrieve. So, he invited all his friends and neighbor to help him cover up the well, leaving donkey inside. All the people grabbed shovel and started to throw dirt inside the well. At first donkey didn't realize what's happening, but when he realized, he cried horribly. After some time he quieted down. Everyone was amused to see this silence. After farmer loaded few shovels, he looked down in the well and was surprised to see that donkey did something amazing. He saw that with every shovel dirt that fell on donkey's back, it would shake it off and take a step up. As people continued to shovel dirt, donkey continued to do same and take step up. Pretty soon he was at the edge of the well and its life was saved. Moral: when life shovel all kind of dirt on you, trick is to not to get down by all the problems and take time to stop and think of way to solve it. Like and share this video.